Welcome back to Syntax LK, your go-to channel for valuable insights and tutorials on all things information technology. In today's video, we have a special treat for you. We'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, AI. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. In this segment, we'll provide an in-depth introduction to AI, its applications, and how it's shaping various industries. Discuss the concept of AI and its significance in today's world. Explore real-world applications of AI, such as virtual assistants, autonomous vehicles, and predictive analytics. Explain the different branches of AI, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Machine learning fundamentals. Machine learning is the heart of AI, enabling computers to learn and make intelligent decisions without explicit programming. In this segment, we'll demystify the fundamentals of machine learning. Explain the basics of machine learning, including supervised and unsupervised learning. Discuss popular algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Showcase how to prepare data, train models, and evaluate their performance using practical examples. Natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. In this segment, we'll delve into the fascinating world of NLP and its applications. Introduce the concept of NLP and its importance in tasks like sentiment analysis, language translation, and chatbots. Demonstrate how to preprocess text data and apply techniques like tokenization, stemming, and named entity recognition. Showcase a live coding example of building a simple sentiment analysis model using Python and popular NLP libraries. Computer vision and image recognition. Computer vision is the field of AI that enables machines to understand and interpret visual information. In this segment, we'll explore the power of computer vision and its applications. Introduce the concept of computer vision and its applications in image recognition, object detection, and facial recognition. Discuss popular techniques and algorithms, such as convolutional neural networks, CNN, and image segmentation. Showcase a visually captivating demonstration of building an image recognition model using pre-trained models and libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Ethical considerations and future implications. As AI continues to advance, it's essential to address the ethical considerations and potential implications it brings. In this final segment, we'll explore these crucial aspects. Discuss ethical considerations surrounding AI, including bias, privacy, and job displacement. Highlight the importance of responsible AI development and the need for regulations. Present a thought-provoking discussion on the future implications of AI and its potential impact on society. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this detailed exploration of artificial intelligence. Remember, the world of technology is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and be part of the incredible innovations shaping our future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Syntax LK for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. Until next time, happy coding.